a massive symbolic funeral of assassinated Hezbollah Secretary General Hassan Nasrallah will be held on Friday. Iran's Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei will lead the prayers from Iran. With the Israeli onslaught against the leadership of the Axis of Resistance, a proper send-off for the slain Hezbollah chief is not possible at this juncture. Fear of attacks on the funeral are preventing Hezbollah from holding a nationwide funeral, one reflective of Nasrallah's status in the Shia community. However, in a major show of solidarity, Iranian Foreign Minister Abbas Araghchi is in Beirut to be a part of the prayers, although he will not participate in the funeral procession given the security concerns. While a real funeral might not be possible, there would be a befitting burial for Hassan Nasrallah, albeit discreet, as has been the case with several commanders killed last week. In Islam, burial should take place as soon as possible. Muslims strive to bury their dead in no more than 24 hours. However, that's not a rule per se. Ideally, the bodies are kept for no more than 3 days, but if there are forensic inquiries, then the body is kept for longer. While Hezbollah is yet to announce plans for the funeral, Abdul Amir Al-Taiban, an advisor to Iraqi Prime Minister Mohammad Shia al-Sudani, posted on X that Nasrallah would be buried next to Imam Hussein in Karbala. Karbala, as described by Prophet Muhammad, is a piece of heaven on earth that will ascend with the inhabitants when the final day of judgment arrives. The choice of this site as his final resting place is a huge elevation in stature for the slain leader. It is also the place where Imam Hussein, the grandson of Prophet Muhammad, was martyred and buried. Hassan Nasrallah is considered a modern-day martyr like the 72 companions of Imam Hussein, who also died along with him on the 10th day of the holy month of Muharram. And that includes his 6-month-old baby boy Ali Asghar, his 18-year-old son Ali Akbar, and his brothers. Some are now also comparing the war between Hezbollah and Israel with the struggle of Imam Hussein against the tyrant Yazid of Byzantine Empire in 7th century AD. Nasrallah today has personified the great resistance against the occupiers. He has become the face of resistance against all odds. Hassan Nasrallah is a revered Shia cleric who studied in Najaf, Iran in the early 1980s but was asked to join the movement after the killing of his predecessors. His death is considered the biggest sacrifice in the cause of Palestine. If he were to remain a source of inspiration for the coming generations, where he is buried, how he is given a send-off, and who were there to bid him farewell will matter. Bureau Report, India Today Global.